Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn that how we can hide or unhide our personal files and folder by running simple Windows command. If you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's get started. So first select that file or folder which you want to hide. So I'll just open my drive and that folder is in my E drive and the name of the folder is personal. So I want to hide this folder. So I have select this folder and on the upside address bar remove everything and type cmd. That means command prompt. Press enter and now you are in the command prompt. So here please type the following command and the command is attrib space plus h space plus s space plus r space, and here you have to type the folder name. So in my case the folder name is personal. So once you will type the command, press enter. Now if you'll go to the directory, you will find that the folder is disappear. So even you will select unhide or hidden file and folder options, you still won't be able to see it. So if you'll go to view and select here hidden items, you will not able to see that folder. Now if you want to bring that folder back, just open the command prompt again and you have to type the same command. Instead of plus sign you have to replace with -1. So I'm just replacing with the minus, and the command is again attrib space -h space -s space -r and then folder name. So the folder name is personal, and now once you will type complete command, press enter. So once you will press enter and you will go to the directory, you will see that the folder is now appear in the directory. So that's it. This is the command through which you can hide or unhide your personal files and folder, and even go to the view and show hidden file and folder you cannot able to see. So that's it. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.